PI Expert now provides the ability to design planar transformers. Planar transformers offer slimmer profile and reduced height for efficient adapters. They also provide precise tolerance control for reliable manufacturing. These small, powerful designs fit anywhere, from your home to your car to inside your wall. Now, let's take a look at our Planar Magnetics Designer in PI Expert. It provides an initial design and allows you to fully optimize your transformer to your exact specification. Inside the Magnetics Designer tab here, we can see the default planar transformer design, the details of which are divided into 8 windows, all of which comprise the general user interface to the tool. Each of these windows is fully customizable in terms of size and order. On the bottom right, we have the menu button, which gives us access to additional features. The first, second, and fourth buttons allow us to have options for organizing our workspace. The first button allows us to group or merge selected windows. This results in a single window with multiple tabs, as shown here. You can move their positions by dragging the headers. The second button allows us to save the current layout arrangement for future use, or load an existing one. And the fourth button resets it to the default layout. Under Actions, we can also access additional options for our design. Here, we can add empty PCB enclosures, shield and screen windings, as well as termination pins. Alternatively, you may also access these Actions options in the constructional and spiral diagrams by right-clicking on these windows. Lastly, there's also the option to reset the transformer construction. This will reset all manual changes and restore the transformer design back to the default. The Gerber Files option allows us to download the Gerber file for our planar design and redirects us to the planar transformer section of the PI Expert user guide. Here on the top right, you'll see the box for errors, warnings, and information. Any errors or warnings about the transformer design will appear right here. This is an overview of the Planar Magnetics Design tool. For additional videos, more information, and to use our software on your next design, visit power.com.